Hi guys, welcome back to Robbie D's Kitchen. I'm Robin and today we'll be making a 3-ingredient lava cake. So let's get into the video. So for this lava cake, you will need some Oreos, milk, semi-sweet chocolate chips. You will also need powdered sugar, but that's optional. Take your semi-sweet chocolate chips and add about a tablespoon of your milk, and then you're going to microwave that for about a minute. And as always, all of the measurements will be down in the description box. When it's done, you just want to mix it around. Until it looks like this. You're going to put it in the freezer for about 5 to 8 minutes until it's hard. Now we're going to take our Oreos and our milk and we're just going to blend those up. Until you have something that looks like this. You're going to take your baking trays and spray them down with some cooking spray. Then add some of your mixture about halfway. Take the hardened chocolate and add a little bit of that in there, not too much. And then pour the rest of your mixture on top. You're gonna bake these for about 15 minutes, or you can also steam them if you'd like. Once they're done, they should look like this. You can add some powdered sugar on top if you'd like, and dig in. So there you have it, 3-ingredient lava cake, 4 if you count the powdered sugar. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share. And until next time, bye!